Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else, a mother-daughter team that likes to laugh and craft. We're so happy that you are watching this video today because we're going to show you how to make a really quick and easy card using the Sending Love stamp set. This is a new one that is going to be coming out and you can get your hands on it beginning January 4th. And what you're going to need for this is obviously the stamp set. We're going to be using Azure Afternoon and Blueberry Bushel for our ink for our stamps. We're using the 1 3/4 inch circle punch, some glue, dimensionals, rhinestones, and then you'll need some basic white and some Blueberry Bushel cardstock. The measurements for these can be found on our blog, and the link to that is in the description of this video. So let's get started making this card. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to bring in the I Missed You circle stamp, and we're going to bring in the Blueberry Bushel ink. And I am just going to stamp right onto that basic white cardstock. So once that's dry, we're going to bring in our circle punch, and we are going to insert that in and then punch it out. And then for our basic white that is going to go on the front of the card, we are going to take Azure Afternoon and this little postage. This is the little image that they put on top of the postage stamp when you do send your card in the mail, just to make sure that the stamp has been used. So we're actually going to put that on the front of the card, which is our basic white cardstock, and we're going to center it right in the middle. Okay, so now we're gonna pop our I Miss You circle up on the front of this. And I actually decided to add a little heart from the stamp set, and then we're going to stamp this on another piece of basic white scrap. So I'm just gonna use the same piece. Grab our tiny block, or a tinier one, and then stamp it, and then we are going to cut it out. What I like about using this glass mat is that it's really easy to clean up in case you get some glue or extra ink onto it. And you could start getting this glass ink or glass mat beginning on January 4th if you join our team. So if you want more information on that, make sure to go check out the blog post associated with this card. So I'm going to add our dimensionals on here, and I'm going to use our mini dimensionals. If you don't have mini dimensionals, you could just cut your normal dimensionals in half and it works the same. I'm going to fold our card base in half and burnish it using our bone folder. And then we're going to adhere the front of the card. And then our final step is taking some of the rhinestones and adding it to the front of the card. And that's it. We are all done. I hope you enjoyed this really fast and easy to make note card using the Sending Love stamp set. If you did like this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you want 5 free tutorials, make sure to join our newsletter. You can find the link to that in the description of this video. Thanks everyone. Bye.